Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of bot detection project using machine learning. As far as the bots are concerned, if you consider any social media account or any social media platform like Facebook or Twitter, so there are so many users, they are having their accounts on the social media, but some people intentionally can create bots or the chatbots kind of thing or any bot who will manage that social media account, and actually the bot is responding, the bot is sending the friend request. There is no real human, but there is bot who is sending the friend request and other stuff. The bot is chatting with the people, something like this is happening. So such kind of accounts can be detected as the bots on the social media, and one must identify such account and should stay away from such account as per the security is concerned or the personal information is concerned. So for that purpose we are having this particular paper which is actually uh, doing the same thing, detecting the bots on the social media using the various machine learning algorithms, and same approach we are going to follow in our implementation as well. As far as the implementation part is concerned, so we are using the Python as a programming language and a data set we are having. So based on that data set, we will train various machine learning algorithm, multiple machine learning algorithms, and also we have developed some custom algorithm other than the traditional machine learning algorithms, and on that also we are going to train the model, and then we will find key which is the best algorithm, and based on that best algorithm we will be doing the predictions. So once you run the project, similar this kind of interface we will see on the front page, and then this is basic thing about the project and all those things. So you can click on the upload dataset. So here you need to upload the dataset on which you need to test. For example, here we'll check take this training data .csv, and then we will upload. Now it will show the message dataset uploaded successfully. And if you want to see the content of this dataset, then you can click on the show dataset. Then you can see here the screen name, then location, then description of that particular count. All these information will be available. Now this data set contains so many parameters or the attributes. So some attributes are not that much useful, so we'll drop such attributes. Only important attributes we will be taking, or we'll be doing feature selection in short. Once we do that, after that we will clean the data set. We'll find out some anomalies are there. For example, in case of location, there is not a number, so such kind of missing data or not available things we are going to remove. Then after cleaning process, now this is the cleaning process we'll apply. So after cleaning process, we are getting these many important attributes where the followers count, then friends count, then this is listed count, favorites counts, verified or not, or all those things. And based on that we will assign whether it is bot. So if it is 1, that means this account is the bot account, and if it is 0, then this is not the bot on the social media. Okay, so this way we are going to identify whether the account is a bot account or not. Then after, let's train the models and we'll find out the best algorithm. So now we are using KNN, SVM, naive Bayes, random forest, decision tree, and then at the end we are having one custom algorithm as well. And based on that custom algorithm, we are going to identify whether these are the bots or not bot all a thing. So as far as this is concerned, you can consider this decision tree is having the highest accuracy here as well. And if you consider this SVM and this naive Bayes has performed very poor in this area, but having good accuracy, significant accuracy at this particular area where non-bot data set on non-bot data set. So the conclusion is the best algorithm is nothing but the decision tree. Now once we have done this, it's time to predict on the entire data set. Now once you click on this, so this is going to predict on entire test data set, and their results 101. So 1 represent that entry to be the bot, 0 represents non-bot, and the test data set is around here. So this is the test data set. So on this particular data set, we are checking and all these entries for this ID number. These are the ID numbers. So for those ID numbers, we are finding out which is bot or which is not the bot. So this is the implementation of this particular project. In case you need the code of this particular project, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.